What to expect for business litigation in Oklahoma County. Business litigation in Oklahoma County can quickly become disruptive, expensive, and time-consuming for companies of every size. Whether the dispute involves breach of contract, partnership disagreements, fraud allegations, unpaid invoices, shareholder conflicts, non-compete agreements, or commercial real estate issues, business litigation in Oklahoma County often requires careful legal strategy and early preparation. Many business owners enter litigation without understanding how the process works or how long a commercial dispute may take to resolve. Knowing what to expect during business litigation in Oklahoma County can help companies better protect their financial interests, operations, and long-term business goals. Business litigation covers a wide range of disputes. Business litigation generally refers to legal disputes involving commercial or business-related matters. Oklahoma County courts regularly handle cases involving breach of contract claims, partnership and LLC disputes, shareholder disagreements, fraud and misrepresentation allegations, business torts, employment-related disputes, non-compete and confidentiality agreements, construction and vendor disputes, and commercial debt collection matters. Some cases involve relatively straightforward contract disagreements, while others may involve complex multi-party litigation with substantial financial exposure. Most business litigation begins with filing a petition. In Oklahoma County, business litigation generally begins when one party files a petition in district court outlining the claims against the opposing party. The defendant then has an opportunity to file an answer that responds to the allegations and asserts defenses or counterclaims. Once the lawsuit is filed, the litigation process becomes governed by Oklahoma procedural rules and scheduling deadlines established by the court. Proper service of process is also critical because the court must obtain jurisdiction over the defendant before the case can move forward. Discovery is often the longest stage of the case. Discovery is usually the most time-consuming part of business litigation. During discovery, both sides exchange information and evidence relating to the dispute. This process may involve requests for documents, written interrogatories, depositions, financial records, emails and electronic communications, business records, and subpoenas to third parties. In complex Oklahoma County business litigation, discovery may involve an extensive review of accounting records, contracts, internal communications, and electronically stored information. Local court rules in Oklahoma County encourage efficient discovery management and require certifications relating to discovery compliance. Motions can significantly shape the case. Business litigation frequently involves numerous pretrial motions. These motions may ask the court to dismiss claims, exclude evidence, compel discovery responses, or resolve portions of the case before trial. One of the most important motions in many commercial cases is a motion for summary judgment, where a party argues there are no genuine disputes of material fact and that judgment should be entered without a trial. Strategic motion practice can significantly affect the value, timing, and direction of the litigation. Mediation and settlement discussions are common. Many business disputes in Oklahoma County are resolved before trial through negotiated settlements or mediation. Oklahoma County courts encourage alternative dispute resolution procedures because they can provide faster and more cost-effective resolutions than prolonged litigation. Mediation often allows businesses to control litigation costs, reduce disruption to operations, preserve business relationships, and avoid uncertainty associated with trial. However, some disputes cannot be resolved informally and ultimately require litigation in court. Trial may be before a judge or jury. If the case does not settle, the matter may proceed to trial. Depending on the claims involved, business disputes in Oklahoma County may be decided either by a judge or a jury. During trial, both sides present evidence, witness testimony, expert opinions, financial records, and legal arguments. Commercial trials often involve complex factual and financial issues that require extensive preparation and expert analysis. The court then issues a judgment resolving the dispute and determining any damages or equitable relief. Appeals may follow the trial. After trial, either side may appeal the judgment if they believe significant legal errors occurred during the proceedings. Civil appeals from Oklahoma County business litigation cases may proceed to the Oklahoma Supreme Court or the Oklahoma Court of Civil Appeals, depending on the procedural posture of the case. Appeals can substantially extend the overall timeline of the dispute and often involve detailed briefing and legal analysis. Business litigation can be time-consuming. Many business owners underestimate how long commercial litigation may take. Complex business disputes in Oklahoma County can last months or even years, depending on the complexity of the claims, the number of parties involved, discovery disputes, court scheduling, motion practice, and whether appeals occur. Recent commentary on Oklahoma civil litigation has noted that complex commercial disputes often face significant delays due to crowded court dockets and limited judicial resources. Because of this, strategic planning and realistic expectations are extremely important during the litigation process. Specialized business courts continue to be discussed in Oklahoma. Oklahoma has recently explored creating specialized business courts focused specifically on commercial litigation matters in Oklahoma County and Tulsa County. Proposed legislation sought to create dedicated divisions handling complex business disputes, although constitutional issues have delayed implementation efforts. The ongoing discussion reflects the growing complexity and volume of commercial litigation in Oklahoma. Oklahoma County business lawyers. Business litigation can expose companies and business owners to substantial financial risk, operational disruption, and reputational harm. Decisions made early in the case often significantly affect litigation costs, settlement leverage, and ultimate outcomes. We work with businesses and individuals throughout Oklahoma County to evaluate disputes, preserve evidence, develop litigation strategies, and aggressively protect business interests throughout every stage of the litigation process. To navigate these waters effectively, contact an Oklahoma City business law attorney that you can count on. For a free consultation with the Kania Law, OKC attorneys, call 405-367-8710.